Do you like to cook for a crowd? Is your house the one that everybody gathers to? Well, I have a really good package for you tonight that I think you're gonna love. My name is Thelindabradley and I'm with Princess House, and I love to help busy people bring healthy to the table in a beautiful way. And tonight I have a big package for you. This one's called Cooking for a Crowd, because right off the bat, we are going to start with one of our large stock pots. Let me see if I can pick it up and show it to you. So what we are going to show you is it's a 22 quart stock pot. Now, the one that I have right now is actually 25 quarts. So this isn't the exact one. Yours is actually prettier, but this one is 3 quarts bigger. So it's just going to take a little bit of top, a little bit. Okay, it says 25 quarts, and the one you're going to get is 22 quarts. This one is also kind of squared at the bottom, and the one that you're going to get is rounded. It's part of our tri-ply collection, and it's really, really pretty, as well as being functional. I just don't have it to show you. So I want to just show you a picture of it, and you can get an idea. But this is 22 quarts. So this is for those large meals that you like to make. Let's see if I can show it to you. There you go. That's what it's going to look like. It's really, really nice. And so this is an awesome piece that you can use when you make your seafood boils, your chili, right? If you do tamales, if you do pozole, if you do, what else? The big things of chicken soup, or any kind of soup actually. Seafood boils in the summer. It's a big pan. So I decided to pair that up with some other big items, because if you like to cook big, you're gonna need them. The second one in this selection is, this is a tri-ply 12-inch skillet. You can see how nice and deep it is. It's about 3 inches deep. So again, this is gonna hold a lot of food for you. Keep in mind that all of our cookware can go on your stovetop, gas, electric, ceramic. It can go in your oven up to 350 degrees with the lids, and up to 450 degrees without the lids. And all the lids have that beautiful Princess Heritage pattern on it, so you can feel good about cooking every day. Another item that's really popular, and it's a larger piece, is this is our 13-inch nonstick griddle. It has been a #1 seller for decades, and it's an awesome piece because of the size. Again, because it has that aluminum in the bottom, it's going to cook evenly. You're not going to have any problems with different temperatures, right? It all cooks evenly. The nonstick doesn't have any of the dangerous chemicals, so you can use this and actually save oil and fat and calories. And so this is the 13-inch griddle. To keep your things nice, I'm also going to include our non-scratch sponge and our powdered stainless steel cleaner, which is good on any stainless steel. You'll be amazed what it makes your products look like. And just because I wanted to throw a couple of more things in, I'm also going to give you the Fantasia Fresh. This is the 9x13. We don't even make this anymore. You can see how pretty it is on the sides. It does have the plastic lid, so it's especially nice that you can make your foods up ahead of time and then put them in the refrigerator, come home from work, and go ahead and cook them. And it's also great if you're going to transport food, taking it to a party, or you have leftovers. This is actually mine. I use it. I just got it out of the kitchen, so you can tell it looks beautiful, brand new. And then one of my absolute favorite pieces in the kitchen is the Immersion Blender. This is a 4-in-1 item. It saves you so much room in the kitchen and saves you so much time. So this first one is a masher. So obviously it's perfect for mashing your potatoes. It's very easy. You just unscrew it, turn it on to the next one. This one is a whisk. So you can use this for making eggs, right? Mixing up your eggs. Homemade whipped cream. You can also use it for pancakes. We also have, this one is the regular blender one, and it does come with the vessel, so you can go ahead and do your smoothies. You can also use it for making homemade mayonnaise, homemade salad dressings. And sometimes when you make a soup, I've made a tomato basil soup and a butternut squash soup. Once you have it cooking, they tell you to take it out, pour it in the blender, blend it up, and then pour it back in. But with the stick blender, you don't have to do that. You can actually blend it right in the pan. Again, that saves you so much time. And then last but not least, because this probably is my favorite one, this is the mini food processor. So you can use this to chop nuts when you're baking. You can use it to slice onions, celery, anything like that. So this is my package for you. It is a big package. You're going to get a 22 quart stock pot, the 13-inch nonstick griddle, the 12-inch skillet, the 9x13 Fantasia Fresh pan, the Immersion Blender, the sponge, and the cleaner. If you were to buy all of this, I'm going to actually save you over $700. This whole selection, I'm calling this Cooking for a Crowd, is just $611 for everything here. You can start with just $155 and then make 10 even payments of $45.50, and then once it's paid in full, it ships. We can ship it anywhere in the United States, and you don't have to take 10 weeks. If you want to pay it in full, you can pay it in full. If you want to make 4 payments, that's fine. We can work with that. Just reach out to me, Thelindabradley@gmail.com, and let me know that you want it. This one's called Cooking for a Crowd, and then you can take advantage of it. Please feel free to share my video. There's lots of people that are looking for what Princess House has, and they don't even know we're still a company. We just celebrated our 60th anniversary, so yay, Princess House. All right, Thelindabradley@gmail.com. I look forward to hearing from you and helping you cook in style. Enjoy.